Hi, this is Danie from Redstor. Version 18.12 of Redstor Pro is being wrapped up and will be available for download by the 13th of December. This feature includes further enhancements to the system report, which allows you to see which files and folders have been selected for backup. For cloud-to-cloud, your SharePoint and OneDrive backups will now be faster because we're doing multiple sites and accounts at the same time. And for instant data, we've done a full UI revamp, which means that it does not only work well, but it also looks the part. Over the last few months, our developers have been working on some larger features, which will only be available in the new year. These include some changes to our disaster recovery toolkit, specifically faster full system restores, as well as bare metal recovery to physical machines. For Office 365, we're continuing to work on email, and for the storage platform, we're adding some significant security enhancements, which will allow things like single sign-on and multi-factor authentication. We're continuing to work on change block tracking, which will make large SQL backups much faster. And our iOS app is also taking shape, which means you'll be able to monitor your backups from your mobile device. We want to thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to bringing you even better features in 2019. Redstor, data management for an on-demand world.